good.
Cactus
It's
farm.
good. Did you see it all?
Oh, I see it.
They're called cholla cactuses, I think.
Cholla.
Uh-huh. What did you think? Did you touch one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Spiky. This is the first sighting of a Joshua tree on one of our hikes. Climbing some rock formations. See the valley down in there? Just surrounded by these giant boulders. Bunch of little cracks you gotta crawl through and maneuver around. How's it going? How's it going? Skull Rock in California.
1, 2, 3.
How do you like that rock? Looks like a skull.
Do you guys want to get up there?
Getting our bikes all sorted out, and then we're heading to breakfast afterwards. Oh, thank goodness. Well. Getting on this bike lane. Sure there's no cars coming. Here we go. Just like that. On the bike lane. Rip it. E-bikes are fast. Some fresh snow in the mountains. We're just cruising around town. "19 miles an hour. We're cruising into the city. How's your biking going?
What?
Good. That's where the first McDonald's ever was. Right here. These are a bunch of toys from the Happy Meals that they used to sell. It's the evil grimace. They had a bunch of different food from different countries, and as you can see in the next clip, they had original soda machines from the first McDonald's.
So there's just a whole.
This is a house tour of one of the rentals we stayed at, and it had its own pool, pretty big living room, and a bunch of nice tech in each of the rooms. Got wireless chargers at each H lamp. Got your own TV, mirror, nice wall decoration. How you liking this hot tub and pool?
Nice, really warm, even the pool.
Good. What's the temperature outside?
48 degrees, probably colder now though.
Yeah, we're just chilling. We're at the very famous Fish Rocks. Aaron's climbing up. Middle of the desert. We got here a cave. Little hole in the side of the rock. Looks like a little mine or something. What do we got in here?
A dead bird.
Looks like a dead hawk.
We were like, it stinks in here, and we turned to the right, and there's like a dead bird.
Oh, this one's big. At the Trona Pinnacles. All shooting up out of the ground. There next one. What'd you find? Crystal looking things. It's like like agates. Look at all that back in there. Dots. Look at this stuff. It's like powder.
Yep.
There you go.
Look at this ball crystal, or whatever that is.
Eating in the middle of nowhere.
It's Trona.
A little sketchy.
Oh, you're looking at me. Oh, I'm kind of scared.
Touch it.
Hi. Hello. Hi.
They don't ram inside of the car. Okay. Huh. Cool.
Oh.
Oh, hey there.
Oh. Hey. It's gonna spit on me.
That's funny.
You been getting a video?
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Look at it. Hey, come here.
Oh, that's wild.
Drooling on the car. I don't have anything to give you.
Sorry.
Gummy.
That ain't roasted.
Snow in Death Valley at the top of the peak. 5,000 feet. Now we're at the Badwater Basin, which is the lowest point in North America. It's at 282 feet below the sea level. And as you can see, it's just all salt flats down here. How's it feel to be so low?
Oh, it feels really low.
You're really low. You okay?
There's sea level.
Way up there, side of the mountain. Right there. There's sea level. There's a sea level marker. As you can see, it's way up there. And there is the lowest point in North America. There's some salt.
Oh my gosh, you're doing all of it? It's salt. I mean, it's just like eating salt at home.
Did you already try it?
Dare.
There's a snowball with the salt around here.
Snowball.
Salt ball. Here it is.
Salt snowball.
Mine's not staying
Salty.
together like that. How'd you get it?
No salt ball.
It's our last day of the trip, and we're just walking through the Mandalay Bay, through the casinos, and up to our room for the night. The Mandalay Bay.
My hand is dry.
Fancy in here. Here's a little room tour, and you can see the view that we had from our window.